Blippi, look over there. Bright cones and a puzzle.
Wow, Rabbit. It looks tricky. What do we do?
Hello, friends. We're the animal heroes, here to help.
Great timing. Let's figure out what these cones mean. Now,
Maybe we can move them? Let's try together. Moving the cones isn't enough. There must be more to this puzzle.
I see something shiny. It's a map under the cone.
a hidden map?
Let's look closely and follow the clues.
The map says we need to line up the cones in a special way.
Everyone, let's work together. Move the cones carefully. We did it! The puzzle is solved and the path is clear.
Teamwork makes everything better. Great